Hey, this is Latif, and you're watching my channel Moon333, where I'm posting the trading ideas and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video, I shared 10 cryptocurrencies with you guys which were expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours on short-term time period charts. First, I'm gonna take you to those trades to see the results of those cryptocurrency charts, and after that, I'll take you to my new ideas. The first coin was the Bitcoin, the king of all cryptocurrencies, the most leading cryptocurrency. And on this chart, the price action of Bitcoin formed a complete bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And now I'm playing the idea. The price action entered in the potential reversal zone completely even after when I published this chart and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. Our next cryptocurrency was the EOS with US dollar, and this cryptocurrency also formed a complete bullish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. I was even expecting that the price action will again enter in the potential reversal zone and give us another chance to buy it from within this PRZ area. And you can see that the price action entered again in the potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence. Our next cryptocurrency was the Cardano with US dollar or ADA USD. And on this chart, the price action of Cardano formed a complete bullish butterfly pattern. And this idea is also executed successfully. My next suggested coin or trade was the Ethereum with US dollar pair. And on this chart, the price action also formed a bullish butterfly pattern like Cardano. And you can see the price action moved up and hit the sell zone as I have predicted. In the next coin, which I suggested that this coin is also going to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours, was the Litecoin with the US dollar pair. And this coin formed a complete bullish cipher pattern and took a very powerful bullish divergence and hit the sell zone, even moved beyond the sell zone. My next chart or trade, which I have suggested in my previous video, that this coin is also going to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours, was the XLM or Stellar with US dollar, and this coin formed a complete bullish shark pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone and moved up with a very powerful bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. My next prediction was about the TRX or Tron with US dollar pair, and I predicted that this coin will complete a bullish shark pattern and enter in the potential reversal zone, and after entering in the potential reversal zone it will be moved up from here and hit the Fibonacci projection, the CD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 786 Fibonacci. And you can see the price action moved as I've predicted and entered in the potential reversal zone and give us a very good chance to buy it from here and hit the sell zone. My next prediction was about the chain link or link with US dollar pair, and I predicted that this coin or the price action of this coin will complete the bad pattern. But unfortunately, this idea is invalidated because the price action could not complete this last leg of a bad pattern and did not enter in the potential reversal zone. My next suggested coin or prediction was about the status with Bitcoin pair, and the price action of this coin formed a complete bullish shark pattern and entered here in the potential reversal zone. And after my prediction, when I posted this chart, the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. My next prediction was about the MDA, and on this chart, I think I have already told you guys that this chart is based on the 2-day time period. Therefore, this trade can take some more time, more than 24 hours or even more than a week. So far, the price action or this pattern is in process, and the price action is moving uh, within this potential reversal zone of this cup and handle formation. So you can add this trade in your next list, which I am going to share with you for the next trade. Now let's move to our next and fresh cryptocurrency list, which is gonna take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours. And our first coin is the Bitcoin, again the king of all cryptocurrencies, the most leading coin. And here I predicted that the price action will complete this bullish butterfly pattern and it will be entered here within 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci to complete the last leg of the bullish butterfly pattern. And as I predicted, so far the price action has entered in the potential reversal zone, so you can buy it from here and sell it here. My second suggested cryptocurrency for today is the XRP or Ripple with US dollar pair. And you can see after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 50 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced almost up to 0.886 Fibonacci. I've just ignored these spikes, and now I'm expecting that the last or final leg will be formed as required for the bullish bad pattern. And so far you can see the price action is just completing the last bear leg of this bullish bad pattern, and soon it will be entered in this potential reversal zone, and it will take the bullish divergence from here and hit this sell zone. Our next trade is Ethereum with US dollar pair, and here we can see the price action has completed the formation of bullish cipher pattern, and so far the price action is moving within this potential reversal zone. I've just published this chart almost 16 hours ago. Within next 24 hours, the price action will definitely take the bullish divergence and hit this sell zone. Our next chart is the Cardano with US dollar pair, and here the price action has completed the formation of bullish cipher pattern, and soon the price action will be moved up from here and hit this sell zone area. My next suggested trade is the IOTA with US dollar Tether and also US dollar. And on this chart, yeah, I've predicted that the price action will complete the last leg of this bullish crab pattern. And so far, the price action has just completed the bullish crab pattern's last leg and entered in this potential reversal zone. Soon it will take a bullish divergence and hit this sell zone area. My next prediction is the XLM or Stellar with US dollar pair. And here I have predicted that the price action will be entered in this potential reversal zone to complete the last leg of this bad pattern, the bullish bad pattern. And so far, the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone, and soon it will take the bullish divergence from here and hit the sell zone. My next prediction is about the Tron or TRX with US dollar pair. And here we can see the price action is completing the last and final leg of this shark pattern, and soon it will be entered in the potential reversal zone. Even the price action has entered in the potential reversal zone. I am just playing the idea. And you can see here that the price action has just hit a spike within this potential reversal zone, and soon it will take the bullish divergence from here and hit this sell zone. These all cryptocurrencies are available with the largest trading volume on Binance Exchange. Therefore, I have shared the link of that Binance Exchange in the video's description. You can just click on that link and create your account there to trade these coins. And I'm also sharing the Tradingview's link in the video's description because I have shared all these charts on the Tradingview on my Tradingview's portal. You just need to click on the chart, and when you will be on the Tradingview's site like this, then you just need to select this people option from this drop down and write my username, which is moon333, and select my page from the drop down, and my all charts will be available for you. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Till then, goodbye.